In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zoho Sign templates. Zoho Sign is an electronic signature application that helps you sign documents digitally with ease and convenience. If you frequently send similar documents for signatures, using templates will save you both time and effort. Let's dive into the process of setting up a template in Zoho Sign with step-by-step clarity. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Sign website. Open your preferred browser and go to sign.zoho.com, where you will land on the dashboard. Having a user-friendly interface, this is the central hub from which you can manage your documents and templates. Next, to create a new template, look towards the menu options available on your dashboard. Click on the Templates section where you'll find an option to Create Template. This is where the magic of creating a customized template begins. After clicking on Create Template, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, the first thing you need to do is add a document that you would like to use for the template. Click on Add Document. A prompt will guide you through selecting the file from your computer. You have the freedom to choose anything from your desktop that suits your needs for this electronic sign-off. Now that your document is ready and uploaded, it's vital to give your template a name. A clear, descriptive name not only helps in easy identification, but also aids in organization. Simply type your choice of name into the designated field. Remember, a good rule of thumb is to have a name that reflects the purpose of the document. Moving on, you'll need to specify the role associated with this template. The role denotes the responsibilities or the actions that need to be taken by various parties involved. Type in the relevant role. This is critical as it defines the process flow and ensures smooth execution. Following the role assignment, email addresses need to be filled in for those who will be interacting with this template. Enter the appropriate email addresses carefully, ensuring accuracy to avoid any possible delays in receiving signatures. Finally, once all the details have been successfully entered and cross-checked for completeness, the last step is to save the template. Click on Save and Close. Your template is now securely stored in Zoho Sign and ready for use anytime you need to send documents quickly for e-signature. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating templates in Zoho Sign. This feature helps streamline your document management processes, making it easy to send out standardized documents in a professional manner with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tool as valuable as I do in simplifying your digital signing needs.